504.
Hmm,
I forgot where I put the robot.
Kaibigan ko.
babae.
Hindi po lalaki.
Ayaw mo mag-swimming?
One.
Ah, tuwing Friday tas Saturday ko ako. Ay, Friday, Saturday ako siswimming.
Okay.
Tuwing Friday, ay di ano, tuwing Saturday, Sunday.
Swimming ka?
Opo. Kailan? Ano po siya? Swimming?
Swimming lesson.
Lesson, magle-lesson.
10 session. 6,000.
Ano, may school po siya?
Meron dyan sa Surabaya.
Ay,
Surabaya ba? Surabaya.
Surabaya. Ay, yung school niya? Malapit lang.
Ayan yung place ko lang naman siya eh.
Diyan po yung mga kinder.
Hmm.
Doon nga po sa Kalayang may school po eh. Mga grade 3, mga grade 2, mga grade 1 ng kinder.
Hmm.
Dapat doon siya po mag-aaral. Pag grade 1 na po siya.
Oo.
Doon po siya aral.
Ha?
Doon po siya aral. Pag grade 1, doon po sa Kalayaan.
Sa ano?
Sa Kalayaan po.
Sa Villamor.
Opo.
Villamor Air Base.
Opo. Pag grade 1,
May school kasi doon.
ako?
Yung tatay niya.
Siya, doon?
Air Force, tatay niya. Doon nagtatrabaho sa Villamor.
Ilan grade? Kinder po po yan?
Ha?
Kinder po po yan?
Ano? Saling pusa. Di pa siya kinder.
Diyan po po siya sa Surabaya.
Hmm.
Diba dati po, nakaano po ako sa Surabaya.
Where's the other?
Nakita mo po yun? Ako yun
Hindi.
po.
Di po.
Bata po ako. Grade 3 na po ako.
Ay, ngayon?
Opo.
Wow.
Ano, section ko po? The fire.
Hindi ako tingin tayo.
Mga tuwing Saturday, Sunday.
May schedule siya. Maya, wag kang...
May school po ako sa mga yung namin po, gising namin, mga, yun? 5 po, gising namin. Doon sa grade 3. Sa ano po, alisan, pag-train ba? Pagkala namin po doon sa, uwian namin po, mga 11. Sabi kasi ni mama ko, matutulog ako ng mga 8 p.m.
Tama yun.
Tama po yun. Bye po. Bye po.
Okay.
Bye, Nelly.
Oo! Uwi na.
Okay, Maya. Practice holding our breath. Come on, let's go, Maya. Practice holding our breath.
Hello!
Count for me. Count for me like this. Maya. Like this. Maya. Yes. Let's go practice counting now. Maya.
Maya, lesson to coach.
Do the water. Do the bubble. Do the water.
Floor po ako sa
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you, Maya, for your flowers.
Kailan po siya mag-ano?
Magti-3 na siya sa 27. Ngayong July.
June na po. Kailan po kayo, lilipat po?
Ha?
Kailan po kayo lilipat?
Wala, hindi kami lilipat.
Di po kayo lilipat?
Ha?
Di po kayo lilipat?
Hindi.
Sa year po? Sa year? Di po
Hindi.
kayo lumilipat?
Hindi po.
Mag-ipon po kayo ng pera. Mag-ihipon.
Ha?
Mag-ipon po ng pera.
Hindi.
Dito lang po kayo titira. Maganda po dito.
Hmm?
Maganda po dito.
Upo.
Doon po sa Azure, may sun, tas may waves. Maganda doon po. Doon po kami nakatira dati, 2024.
Hmm.
One. 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 Two. Come and get it. Come on. Okay, Naya, come and get it.
Maya, swim na. Huwag ka dyan. Madulas ka doon sa tiles.
Ilang taon na po siya?
Ha?
Ilang taon na po siya? 3?
Magti-3 sa 27.
July 27?
Opo. June. Ngayong June.
Sino po mami?
Ha? Di pa.
One, two, three. Okay. Round two, round three, ready, get up, go. One, two. Round three, ready, get up, go. Round four, ready, get up, go. Round five, ready, get up, go. You can control five. I go under. Okay. Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. Close your mouth tight. Go up, walk. Right. Go, sweet. One. One. Aya, practice kick. Aya. Practice kick. Practice kick. Ang galing mo tayo, si Mark. Kaya Mark. Kaya Mark. Oh, galing na. Galing na, paano? Oh, good job. Mark, that's it. One, okay lang yan. Kailangan mag-kick. Kailangan mag-kick para mamaya. Bakit kaya? Walk ha? Kailangan mag-walk. Kailangan mag-walk. Huwag lang maghawak ito. So, walk lang ha. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh.
Di ba bumibitaw ka na, Maya? Wala, ayaw mo na magbitaw?
1, 2, blow. Tapos 3, blow. Okay. So, holding your breath, count can it goes. Count can it goes like this, Maya, don't hold. Hold breath tayo, don't hold breath. Come on. Okay,
Maya!
don't hold breath tayo. 5 seconds, 5 seconds, so count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! Good job. Oh, it's my turn. It's my turn. So count your toes. Count your toes, then get set, go. 1. Your turn. Your turn, ready? Your turn.
Ikaw din, Maya.
Your turn. Don't hold.
Ikaw din.
Don't hold your breath.
Listen kay Coach.
Like that. Long breath. Go. Come again. Come again. Ready, get set, go. Repeat. Move your arms. 1. Go and do the water. Do the water. Wow. Good job. Okay. Okay, come on. Okay. Breathe. Bye-bye. Let's breathe. Wow. Okay. One. Come and get it. Come and get it. Let's go. Come and get it. Oh, go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 5. And then go under. Then go under. Yeah. Go under. Ready? And do the water. Put your head down. Go. Yeah. Go. Put your head down and then do the water. Up. Like it. Put your head down and then blow. Ready? Okay. Good job, like this. Yeah. You like that? You like the snake? You're a bit of a snake. Oh.
Maya, papi, oh. Maya. Maya. Maya, oh, papi, oh. Papi. Papi. Come here. Come here, Maya. Papi is here, oh.
Oh.
I hate you, Papi.
Okay, go walk. Take your puppy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Your turn. Okay. 1, 2, 3. My turn. Your turn. 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Oh, your turn. 1, 2, 3. Bubbles. Okay.
Yay! I got you!
Oh no,
Yay!
Papi. Hey, guys, come here. This is Papi.
Where? Violet to your go. You want your puppy? No going up. No going up. Oh, sa big pool tayo. Oh, tara, let's go. Let's go to the big pool.
Yung friend ko.
Yung friend mo.
Yes.
Oh, let's go to the big
Coming here.
Let's go. Let's go to the big pool.
No.
What? Why? Okay. Hawak. Mas ikaw.
Oh, nakaano ka sa dolphin? Nakasakay ka sa shark? Nakasakay ka na sa shark?
Go. Oh. Ito ang big pool. Shark swim. Shark swim. Dito shark swim. Ha? Why? Ha?
Ikaw din, mag-shark ka din.
Practice na tayo ng shark swim.
Sugatan ka dyan, Maya.
Oh, let's go, Maya. Practice yung shark swim. Shark swim.
Shark ka, Maya. Shark ka. Mag-shark ka, okay?
Shark swim.
Mag-shark ka. Here.
Come here. Come. Yes. Shark swim. Wow. Oh. Go swim. Paddle yun. Go. Let's go to the big pool. Ha? Go to the big pool. Why? Let's try over there. Why? Go. Ito ate. Kaya dito ito yung ate. Ito ate. Dito na ate.
Langoy ka, Maya. Langoy ka. Kick mo yung ano mo. Kick mo yung paa mo. Yan, ganyan. Kick mo. Yay! Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Again, Sam, you have to kick your feet, ha? You have to kick your feet.
Sige, kick mo, paa mo, kick mo. Bye! Kick mo, paa mo, kick mo.
Breathe and down. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Kick your feet, bubble. Breathe your. Not going up, not going up, not going up. No. Now, one side down, one side down. Let's practice our kick now. Let's practice our kick now. Oh, careful. No, let's practice our kick. Wala, Chris. Let's go swing na. Ayan.
Another flower. Ready? Akin na.
Yes. Swim, swim. Swim. Hold ka kay hold lang ito. Hold lang. Hold lang. Saan? Close your mouth with the water. Close your mouth with the water. Parang yung water. Close your mouth tight. Close your mouth tight.
Yung paa, kick mo, Maya, paa mo.
Kailangan mag-practice ang kick. Kailangan mag-kick. Close your mouth mo, ha. Close your mouth sa water. Kailangan close yung water, mouth mo sa water para hindi pumasok. Okay? Close your mouth tight. Okay, walk. Close your mouth tight. Yan, close your mouth tight. Tapos doon ang bubble. Got it? Kailangan mag-kick yung paa. Kailangan mag-kick para mag-practice natin yung paa. Kailangan mag-kick ang paa. Oh, kick ang paa.
Ayan, kick. Si, kick. Kick, Maya, kick.
Kailangan i-kick yung paa. Okay? Oh, ready?
Kick, Maya, kick.
Oh, huwag maganda. Basta i-kick mo yung paa. Oh, kick.
Yan, ganyan. Ganyan. Sige, kick lang.
Good, good. Mabilis na kick, ha? Mabilis na kick. Oh, ready? Get set, go.
Oh,
Mabilis
kick.
na kick.
Kick.
Saan?
Oh, dyan lang yan. Okay. Thank you.
Oh, kick hard, ha? Mabilis ang kick. Oh, ready?
Okay, thank you. Okay. Kick na.
Oh, mabilis ang kick.
Okay. Yan, ganyan. Sige lang. Para matuto mag-swim.
Nakika? Malakas. O kailangan magbabot tama, kailangan magbabot. Sabi ko 1, 2, 3, babot ka, ha? Ready? Ready, get set, go. Magka-count ako 3, ha? Pag-count ko 3, pag 3, magbababot ka, ha? Ready, get set, go. Ready, get set, go. Tapos switch.
Kick, Maya, kick. Yan, sige.
3,
Sige, kick. Kick, Maya, bubbles. Kick ang bubbles.
3, 1, 2, 3, tapos babot, ha? Nag-touch lang siya. Touch lang yun. Andun yun. Already. Kick tapos magbabot sa pag 3 ah.
Oh, kick na Maya, kick na.
1, 2, 3.
Then bubbles. Bubbles. Kick and bubbles.
Okay, down.
Maya, kick.
Mapapractice mo muna pa siya.
Babo ka?
Papractice mo na pa siya.
Babo ka?
Opo.
Oh. Oh, kick ka nga tapos babo sa 1, 2, pag 3, babo na. Okay? Go. Alam mo ito, kinakain ito? Alam mo? Down, down. Kick ang pa.
Ama? Pwede yan sa ano, pampaligo sa mga may mga lamig ang katawan.
Ano po yan?
Down, alis niya, alis gang.
Nag-kick ka? Nag-kick ka ikaw? Nag-kick ikaw? Ha?
Kick ikaw Maya, then bubbles. Sabay mo yon. Sabay.
Maya kami. Maya.
This is baby. This is baby foot.
Where?
Doon. Baby foot.
Okay.
You want to go there? You want to go there in the big pool?
Help me, I'm swimming under.
Look at Kucho. Yay!
Got you. Oh, let's go swim. Come on, let's go swim back. Oh, let's go swim back. Come on.
You like there in the big pool?
Let's go to the big pool na.
Maya?
Let's go. Yes. Oh, let's go. Yeah.
Maya, you like in the big pool?
No, no, no.
Back to.
No, ayaw.
Let's try that. Let's gonna jump over there. Let's jump over there. Okay? Go kick the bubble.
Yan, ganyan. Sige, kick lang Maya. Kick, yan, kick. Kick ka lang, huwag kang hihinto. Kick lang.
Kick hard. You have to kick hard. Kick hard. Ready? You have to kick and then blow bubbles, ha?
Ha?
Ready, get set.
Ano? Gusto mo maligo?
Great, go down. Ready, let's go.
Ako rin. Kahapon pa ako gusto maligo.
Where is he? Where is he?
What?
Oh, this.
Where? That's your friend? Ha? What's the name of your friend? Okay, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go to the big
Oh,
pool.
yeah.
4 rounds lang. Let's say, no, 3, 4 rounds. Okay?
Nantok ako.
Nagbibidyo ka.
Ikaw, kaya mo na yan. Ang galing mo naman. Pa. Wow, ang galing naman. Naunong makilagay. Wow. Galing natin si Dog. Okay. Dali natin si Dog sa si Dak. Okay. So, okay. Relax, don't yan.
Maya, hold kay coach. Madulas ka.
It's a hard. In the big room.
Maso naman tayo sa tabi. Kapila.
Ayaw pababa doon eh.
Dali. Para magkaano din siya. Mama, colorin mo.
Okay, good. Oh, galing na.
Kuya Sherwin, tawag ka. Hi daw.
Ay, daw.
They're calling me. Go, follow coach. This is coach. Listen.
Okay, good job. One, bubble. Okay, one. Okay, ready, one. Okay, good job.
Sakit ulo ko. Hello. Di ko may taas yung kamay ko. Ay, Maya! Jump ka dyan! Pag Sunday, wala ka win, no? Sherwin, wala ka pag Sunday?
Nandito.
Andyan, dito ka? Ah.
Wala pa. Nakating ko lang ako sa kwarto ko. Hello, Sherry.
Yan, ganyan. Kick lang ng kick. Galing ni Maya. Yay! Wow! Yay! Galing! Good job!
Last 2 rounds pa, last 2 rounds. Oo. Last 2 rounds. Okay, last 2 rounds. 1, 2, lumago.
Count ikaw, Maya, count.
Okay, go kick 1.
Win, nag-i-issue ba si coach ng resibo? Nag-i-issue si coach ng resibo? Nag-i-issue si coach ng resibo? Nag-i-issue? Ah. Yay! Bubbles, Maya, bubbles. Yan.
Yeah. We arrive at the wall.
Ang baby, tingnan mo, lumalangoy rin.
Gonna go to the small pool na?
Yeah.
Why? You're tired na? You just made 4 rounds eh.
Yeah.
Ah, yes. Gonna go
Another round in the big pool.
One more round and then let's go back. One round. Let's one round. Okay?
No, no. Wait,
Para matuto ka maglangoy.
wait,
Why?
wait.
Just one
Ayan.
round and then let's go back now. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go put your duck over there. Come on. I coach. One more time. Come on, let's go one round and let's go back.
I cannot go to the small pool, man.
One more round. One more round. And then
Yes.
come on.
Yes.
One more round muna and then let's go back to the TV.
Yeah.
One more round. Come on, let's go.
Ay, it's ayos lang.
Come on. Come on, hurry up.
Gagawin lahat yan.
Jump, ready, get set, go. One,
Two.
2, 3, and 4. Yeah! Okay.
Makita na ako dito.
Later na. Ready. Kick mo na.
O, kick ka na,
After
kick.
you sit down, you go to the other wall, ah. No, it's dirty over there. It's dirty. It's dirty. There's a lot of... There's very difficult.
Jump ikaw dun, no? Jump ikaw.
Next one round muna. And then go back. Okay, go, go, go. Wow. After this one, and then let's go back to the... Okay.
Lesson to Coach Maya.
Let's go one more round. And then shall we go back?
Maya, lesson to Coach.
Okay? One, two, three, and blow the bubbles, blow the bubbles. Okay, go, go up, go up, go, 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 go to the kiddie pool. Go, 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 go. Wow. You want to float?
Yes, I want to fly.
Secondly, then.
Wait,
Ano
ako
pa?
na
Okay,
dito.
go. So, ready? Oh, galing na. Galing mag-float ka. Okay, I'm gonna tanggal this and then you have to, you wanna float? Hawakan dito. Yeah, hawakan dito. Sige, sige, sige. Go, go, go. Hawakan dito. Ano na? Oh, ready. Anong gagawin natin? Holding breath muna. Yeah. Holding breath tayo. Long breath. Come on. Tighter. Come on. Long breath. Come on. Doon sa little kid. Okay, let's do the bubbles long hold. Oh, yes. Yeah, mo. Okay, hold breath muna. Long hold breath tayo. Long hold breath muna tayo. Let it go. This is long breath. Oh, babalik ka nila yan. Oh, let's go na. Hold breath tayo, tapos pagkaroon sa people. Hold breath. 5 seconds. Dali, dali. 5 seconds. Hindi. Ha? Hindi na?
Ayaw na? Uwi na tayo? Ha? Uy. Hintay mo ko. Hintay mo si Coach.
Coach, I want to
Last round?
toy.
Oh, last round? Okay. Ito lang. Dapat tumaan doon sa stair. Okay? Para itiman. Okay. Last. Okay. Then, one speed jump. One speed jump. Okay. Happy? Happy? Yeah? Ay, apa? Yes? Wow! Oh, look. Look, Maya. I'm squeezing. Maya. Let's go na. Let's go up na. Ha? Go na. Up. Go na. Paano mag-float? Paano mag-float? Watch your head, watch your head. Maunto. Maunto ka. Ah,